In this video, we're going to show you how to install door mirror glass on your Ford F-150 located in your exterior door mirrors. Now we're going to be replacing the passenger side mirror glass. Simply go ahead and push that mirror out if you had that folding feature. And I'm going to use some tape and I'm going to run it across the glass. And that's going to help us when we go to remove it in case for some reason it breaks while we're doing this. Or maybe even if your glass is already cracked, this will kind of help hold that glass in there while you manipulate this and move it around. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to use my plastic pry tool here, or you can get your fingers in there and gently try to pop this out. I'll try using my hands here. And you want to just pop it off of the mirror, the motor base. Just like so. It's just snapping off of the ring here. Now with the mirror glass comes supplied the anti-rattle tabs here. They come in a little baggie, and there's two of them. One goes here, one goes here. And all you do is you take the small flat section here, line it up, and push it in. Get that seated, and then you can do the same on this one here. Now we can go ahead and install our mirror. I'm going to go ahead and flatten out our motor base here. Line that up. Now I will simply take my flat palm, line that up, and push in. And it snaps right in. At this point here, you can go ahead and use your power mirror adjustment to adjust the position of this. You want to repeat this process for the driver's side if you need to, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.